Are you tired of complex photo editing software? Well, today, I've got something incredible for you. We're about to explore Adobe's Photoshop Generative Fill AI game changer in the world of photo editing tutorials. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform your photos with ease, all without the hassle of downloading Adobe Photoshop. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll demonstrate how you can enhance your photos using Adobe's Generative Fill AI all without the need to download or rely on Adobe Photoshop. To learn Adobe Firefly. So, let's dive right in. To harness the power of Adobe's Generative Fill AI, you simply need to visit the Adobe Firefly AI webpage. This Adobe Firefly tool is completely free to use, and the Firefly Guide allows you to effortlessly access the Generative Fill feature. Just click on the Generate button within the Generative Fill section. Now, let's take the next step. Click the Upload Image button to upload your photo, and together, we'll explore how this Generative Fill AI can transform your image background effortlessly. Next, click on the Background button to remove the existing background. Adobe Firefly AI will then present you with 4 different options to save your edited image. Then, click on the Settings button to fine-tune the brush size for precise adjustments. Now, let's move on to editing an object within your photo. In this tutorial, we'll transform those hot pants into a stylish white skirt. Remove specific areas within the photo, ensuring that the shape you create matches the object you wish to add seamlessly. To get started, click on the Remove button located on the left side of the interface. Now, let's proceed by removing the object from your image. Once you've successfully done that, click on the Insert button. Here, you'll be able to type in your prompt for this Generative Fill command to seamlessly replace the removed object with the desired transformation. Now, let's take the creative leap and introduce a new element into your photo using Adobe's Generative Fill AI. Start by clicking the Remove button and access the brush size options from the Settings menu. In this particular example, I'm looking to add a breath armor head to the wall, so I'll create an oval-shaped area that corresponds to where I want the object to appear. Now, click on Insert to access the Prompt menu, and here, you'll input your specific prompt. After that, describe your desired changes in the prompt input. Finally, click Generate to initiate the process. After that, click Generate to initiate the process of seamlessly integrating the new object into your photo. Once you're satisfied with the edited image, simply click the Download button. If, however, you find yourself not entirely pleased with the results, don't worry. Just click the More button, and you'll be able to generate new options to fine-tune your image to perfection. For Photoshop AI How-To, you can replicate the same practice on the right side. To wrap up your current editing session, you can either click the Keep button to save your changes, or select the Cancel button if you wish to create a new prompt from scratch. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment to show your support for my work. Stay tuned for more exciting artificial intelligence tutorial videos. If you want to watch how to make free PowerPoint presentation slideshow using AI and create PPT animation, click on left. If you want to watch Best AI free website design builder and generator tools and create AI, e-commerce website and no code, click on right. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.